year ago, some crazy Jews, and I'm talking about minority of minority, destroy the windows of the room of the Last Supper, the Cenaculum. That is correct, that it used to be a mosque that was taken from the Christians. And they used it as a mosque until 1948, but the idea of Israel is to keep that place like that. We cannot destroy holy sites. And a crazy guy broke the windows here and there. What you can see here is that they are renovating it. It's not actually renovated, it's look like totally new. And this is even better and more beautiful from the original, which is a little bit sad for me, was old. Then you can see here how they are renovating it. This is for me history and process. You can see something that you cannot see every day. That I believe it will be look exactly like that. Let me ask a question. I mean, and you can see that it was made by Muslims, I believe, but I can ask. Now, I ask that man, who prepared that beautiful thing? No, but I will. You speak Hebrew?
Hebrew, yeah.
Then I will, and you are the artist. Who's doing. אתה האומן שעושה את זה, כמה זמן לקח לך לעשות את זה?
אני עושה שחזור, למעשה אני עושה מה שהיה, אבל שם היו הרבה שברים, הרבה זכוכיות חסרות, ועשיתי מחדש, זה לקח חודשיים וחצי משהו.
Then for the last 2.5 months, he tried to renovate it to kind of a replica of the things that he saw. Try to be as close as he could to the original, but there were so many pieces that were missing, then he couldn't do that. במבטא שלך אתה לא מוסלמי.
בטוח.
אז אפשר להגיד שאתה בעצם, על אף שאתה עושה עבודה מוסלמית, אתה...
זה לא בדיוק עבודה מוסלמית. דוד זה אחד מהאבות שלנו.
אז רגע, אבל יש לנו אותיות...
כן, יש גם.
עכשיו,
בחור זה הוא דווקא ערבי.
Okay.
שמרכיב.
The one who is doing it now, he is a Muslim guy, but he